In this video, I am going to show you how you can make good amount of money by promoting CPA offer, cost per action offer, where just people need to submit their email address and you will make money. How you can use that kind of offer and this free traffic source to make good amount of money for yourself. And in this video, I am going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn and implement everything right after you watch this video. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. First of all, you need an account on CPA Grip. However, you can use other platform that is similar to CPA Grip. So what CPA Grip does is they provide you wide variety of offer where you can make people to sign up by using their email address and you can make money. Okay, and it is extremely simple to create an account on CPA Grip. You can simply visit to cpagrip.com and then you'll find like start here or sign up here, and just click on it and you can create your free account on CPA Grip. Once you create your account on CPA Grip, and what you need to do is you need to log into CPA Grip and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. Okay, and once you see this kind of interface, then just click on this offer tool and then you click on this my offer. Make sure you select United States because this United States United States offer pays a little bit well. Okay, so that's why select United States and then just select email zip submit. Okay, because you want to get paid whenever someone submit their email address from United States, and you will see wide variety of offer. Now you cannot just randomly select any offer. Okay, make sure the offer that you are selecting has this kind of image. Okay, like $500 or maybe PS5. Okay, this kind of image should be available for you. Okay, as you can see here at now for $750 PayPal gift card. Okay, you need to have this kind of image. So for now, let's take this as an example. So what you need to do is just click on this offer and you'll see this is the image and here is the text that are available in this offer. Now what you can do is firstly save this image. Okay, let's save image as, and let me put it in desktop. Okay, let's see. And this way you can save this image because you will be using this image. Now this is the link that you need to promote. Okay, and now what you need to do is you need to simply search on Google Linkvertise. Okay, and you'll see various links that are available at here. Now if you click on this, then you will go to a search engine of Linkvertise, which looks like this. Okay, and if I show you on this similar web how much traffic they have got, so they have altogether 15 million traffic visiting to this site, and the average visit duration is 4 minutes, and most of the traffic are coming from United States. And Linkvertise, in Linkvertise, if you sort in your link at here and someone clicks on your link, then you will also get paid. Okay, inside this platform also you will also get paid from CPA Grip, and you will also be getting paid from Linkvertise. So now firstly you just search for Linkvertise and you will get this kind of search result. Now what you need to do is just click on this link. Okay, just click, open it in new tab, and then you will see somewhat, you will not see this kind of interface, but what you can see is you will get a chance to create your own account inside Linkvertise. Okay, and once you create your account on Linkvertise, then you may see this kind of German interface. Okay, German language, and what you can do is you will see let me show you. You will see this kind of logo in your browser. Just click on this and translate this page to English, and you can also select always translate German. Okay, once you do that much, then now you will start the process of promoting your offer in the Linkvertise search engine, and I'll show you step by step how you can do that. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Linkvertise. Okay, and once you log into Linkvertise, then this is my brand new account. As you can see, there are no any clicks and nothing. So once you create your Linkvertise account, then you will see this kind of dashboard. Okay, and once you see this kind of dashboard, then just click on this create link. Now you will see this kind of interface. Now here is the place where you need to put your link. Okay, so now just go to CPA Grip and grab this link. Okay, however, you can use bit.ly or any URL extra URL shortener to even shorten this URL, but Linkvertise itself is like URL shortener, so you don't need that thing. So just paste your link in this way. Okay, and once you do this much, then just click on this, and then you will see this kind of interface. So now, as you can see, your ad will look something like this. Okay, as you can see, here's the image, here's the title, here's the description. Okay, here's the publisher. In that way you will see everything. Okay, so now you need to update all the information that are available at here. However, currently it is showing German language at here, but usually it doesn't happen like this. But now it is showing German language, and I'll update the information as it is. Okay, I'll put all English language at here. This is the title, as you can see. Now what you can do is get $500 crypto voucher. Okay, I can copy it. Okay, and I can go at here and paste it. Now make sure this kind of dollar sign is not at here, and instead of that, what you can do is you can type dollar in this way, and here you can see it is showing red, so that means it has been overwritten. So what you can do is you can, okay, no, you cannot delete this crypto, but what you can do is $500 crypto voucher, you can write in this way. Okay, and then once you type the title, just click on this tick mark. So now you need another main title. Okay, main title, and that would be like enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. Okay, you can copy this and paste it in this way, and you can just tick mark. Similarly, you can once you see what exactly is this in English language, then you can type anything that is relatable to the offer. Okay, and you can see you need to complete a little bit description a little bit. Okay, and you cannot just like type random things. Okay, you need to complete it. Okay, so they are not even allowing to copy and paste random things. Okay, so you need to write like I wrote sign up today for a chance to win $500 crypto voucher. You don't need to pay anything, just take part in our giveaway. Okay, there are double Y. Let me delete it. Yeah, so once you do this much, then now it's time for us to go to next step. Okay, so now it's time to fill this one. So it is actually a frequently asked question. Okay, now you'll see everything in English language, but currently it is showing in German. I'm not able to translate it to English to show you for now, so sorry for that. But what you need to do is you can just pull this. You don't need to even write anything. Okay, you just need to pull these things above in this way, and these are the frequently asked questions which people can click and read the answer. Okay, it is auto generated, and once you complete this, then you can simply click on this tick mark. So now you need to put your image or video. Okay, whatever you want you can put, but as you can remember, firstly I have told you to save the image. Then what you can do is you can just click on this. Okay, and then let's go to desktop, and this was the image that we have saved previously, and click on OK, and you can crop this image to in this way. Okay, so that it looks a little bit enticing for people who are going to take part in this giveaway, get a chance to 500 of the cryptocurrency of your choice. Okay, you can just click on OK, and now your ad will look something like this, as you can see at here. Okay, and once you complete these steps, now you need to click on this. Once you see this kind of interface, then again you can click on it. Let's wait for some second. Now you'll see this kind of two type of link. Okay, this one is for profile, and this one, so this is the link of use for us. Okay, you can just copy it and paste it in another browser, and you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. Okay, you can scroll below and see lots of people are already putting this kind of ad, and as you can see, there are good amount of views. They are getting like 2000 views. So now the people who watch this kind of ad and click on it, and the person who have posted it will also make money inside Linkvertise. Okay, so now the people who are going to click on this ad, they will make you money inside the CPA grip also, and furthermore they will also make you money inside this Linkvertise by clicking on your link. Okay, and your ad will look something like this. So now here you can see our image has not been updated yet, but that may update after some time, or maybe that image was not a good fit for this place. So always use a little bit high quality image by searching on Google or any other source if you have, or if you can find, just use good image. Okay, that is enticing and eye-catching for people. Okay, and here you can see there is frequently asked question, and here is the explanation, okay, about this offer. Now after completing all the steps, if you want to take things to next level and even want to make more money by using this Linkvertise, then what you can do is you can click on other ads. Okay, and you can see how much views these ads are getting. Okay, and find similar type of offer on CPA grip. Okay, and make this kind of similar ads, because these ads that are getting good amount of views are already proven to bring views. Okay, so as you can see here, GTA 5 in mobile APK, okay, whatever it is, you can create similar type of ad if there is any other offer in CPA grip. Or what you can do is you can also create this kind of similar type of ad and even make money just inside Linkvertise. So guys, altogether I wanted to show you this much inside this video. I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please smash that like button. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.